Cryptocurrency and NFTs are two different types of digital assets that have become popular in recent years. Cryptocurrency can be used as a form of payment for goods and services, while NFTs are typically used to represent one-of-a-kind digital items such as art, music, or even virtual real estate. The main difference between cryptocurrency and NFT is that cryptocurrency is a fungible asset, meaning each unit has the same value and can be exchanged for another unit of equal value. NFTs, on the other hand, are non-fungible and unique. This means that each NFT is distinct and cannot be replicated or exchanged for something of equal value. In summary, while both cryptocurrency and NFTs are digital assets, they serve different purposes and have different characteristics which set them apart from one another.